I've been trying to switch out some of my hollow core doors with solid wood doors. One way to accomplish this is to build your own. This video depicts the construction of a 5-panel interior door made from solid cedar wood. Construction of this 5-panel door consists of 3 basic elements: stiles, rails, and panels. The stiles and rails are made from 2x6 cedar planks, and the panels are fashioned from 3/4 inch by 12 inch cedar boards. Traditionally, interior doors are 1 3/8 inches thick. I used a table saw to manufacture the dimensions of the stiles and rails. The panels are cut from 12-inch cedar boards. To get the raised panel look, I used a dado cutting blade on the table saw to reduce the panel edge to 1/2 inch thickness. I purchased a set of router door bits from Frood to simplify creating mortises and tenons while simultaneously creating a roundover mold around all the panels.
Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone, riders on the storm. There's a killer.
The mortise router bit is used on one side of each stile and on both sides of most rails. This bit also creates the roundover bead. The mortise cuts a 1/2 inch deep trough in both the stiles and the rails. The other router bit is the tenon bit. It is used on both ends of each of the rails. This bit creates what is called a snub tenon. The snub tenon is a 1/2 inch in length and fits perfectly into the mortise trough created by the first router bit. The tenon bit not only creates a tenon, but also cuts a cover that fits on top of the roundover bead. Between the tenon and the bead cover, this makes a snug and strong join. The 1/2 inch snub tenon, while strong enough for use in cabinet doors, is not strong enough to withstand the weight of an entire solid wood door. The solution is to create longer extended tenons on the top, middle, and bottom rails. To create longer tenons, the tenon router bit is designed to split in half. The top half of the bit is removed, while the bottom half of the router bit can make extended tenons of any length. Longer tenons create a much stronger join.
The world on you depends, our life will never end. Gotta love your man. Yeah.
Once the 3-inch extended tenons have been created, they will not fit in the existing 1/2 inch mortise. As a result, the 1/2 inch mortise must be cut deeper to accept the new longer 3-inch tenon. There are several ways to create a deeper mortise. I have a mortiser attachment that fits my drill press. The mortiser on my drill press uses a square-shaped drill bit, which creates a 3-inch deep mortise slot. Solid wood doors rely exclusively on mortise and tenon joinery. No screws, nails, bolts, or other mechanical connections are normally used. Now that all the pieces have been prepared, the stiles and rails can be glued and assembled. Finally, oil stain that matches the woodwork was applied to the door, and 5 coats of satin polyurethane was wiped on top of the stain.
Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone.